Wood is a durable, versatile, renewable, and beautiful building material. It can be molded and shaped. It has incredible structural abilities. It helps us reconnect with nature and enjoy the outdoors. But it is not invincible. Its enemy is water. Without its natural protector, bark, lumber is exposed to harsh conditions. Water is no longer a nutrient, but rather a destructive element, becoming the stimulus for fungi growth and decay. To see how this happens, let's take a closer look. All plants, including wood, get structural support from lignin, a substance which binds wood cells together. When lignin is broken down by fungi, water is able to seep in and cause damage. This leads to even more fungi growth and further deterioration of the wood, resulting in rot and structural decay. Seal once penetrates the surface, forming a shield around the wood fibers and cells. This prevents water damage by protecting from the inside out. Its proprietary formula uses non-toxic, deep-penetrating nanoparticles to prevent damage and decay caused by water infiltration and fungi growth. As it is absorbed, Seal once bonds to the wood fibers on a microscopic level, providing your wood structure with durable and long-lasting protection. This eco-friendly, deep-penetrating product doesn't just protect the wood, it also preserves it. Most sealers and waterproofing products on the market today do not penetrate. Instead, they adhere only to the wood's surface, forming a topical coating, which quickly breaks down, no longer shielding against water. As the coating peels, water penetrates the wood, resulting in warping and cupping. Seal once is unique in its use of nanotechnology to defend against water damage, shielding the wood and providing stability with a non-film forming flexible, breathable barrier. This barrier permits water vapor to escape and for wood to expand and contract without resulting in decay. Seal once can be used to preserve old or new wood, extending its natural life. With proper preparation, Seal once is easy to apply and will inhibit rot, mold, mildew, and fungi growth. In addition to protecting and preserving, Seal once also enhances your wood project. Seal once enhances wood's natural beauty by allowing it to silver naturally and evenly, without decay. Because it is UV stable, it will not deteriorate over time from exposure to the sun's rays. Seal once is quick and easy to apply using a brush, garden sprayer, or stain pad. Our clear formula can be used as a primer under other wood coatings or other Seal once products to ensure a uniformly beautiful, long-lasting appearance. If you're looking to add color, Seal once has a full line of semi-transparent tints that can be mixed into the clear formula to enhance the natural grain of the wood. A rich and broad array of semi-transparent tint colors with added UV blockers provides the end user with additional options for having a beautiful and long-lasting project. Surfaces coated with Seal once are easily cleaned, restoring the original beauty while resisting stains from salts, chemicals, mold, and mildew. Seal once contains ultra-low VOCs, is eco-friendly and odorless, so it is safe to be used around animals, plants, or fish with simple cleanup using only soap and water. Seal once. It's fast, effective, long-lasting, and safe for the environment. Start your project today and entertain guests tonight. Keep your wood beautiful. Protect it from the inside out. Protect it with Seal once.